I'm here at the Big Peebly Flea Market. This is pavilion number 2. This pavilion is 130 foot long, 45 foot wide. Does need a little gutter work and downspout work. The top part is 12 foot tall. This pavilion you could pull a semi through, be able to unload your wood and stuff. I've been here 2.5 years. I'm getting ready to end and possibly sign a new lease on my pavilion. This is 4,500 square foot. It's 100 foot long, 45 foot wide. I would like to get some concrete poured here if I was to stay and sign a new lease. If they could help out with some of the cost of the concrete. On this end here, it would be 45 by 30 feet of concrete. I'd like to pour this with piping running through it that you could run hot water through to heat the floor. This would be ran off of a wood boiler, wood furnace that heats the water. There'd be a very efficient way of heating this. You could run the circulatory pumps for the piping off of solar panels. This is another thing. I'm a very green company. All the wood you see here is reclaimed and or recycled. Everything from big cool pieces of driftwood like this. These will be chairs or couches or something pretty unique. Got a lot of big slab, a lot of different pines, over 30 different species of trees here. Like I said, I've been here 2.5 years. Everything that you see here I've built myself, milled myself. Come a long way for one man. This area here would be carving area. Get some concrete poured in here. Let me take a walk on around. I collect a lot of driftwood. I can go out in the morning and fill my pickup truck off the Mississippi. All this can be furniture legs, various items, big furniture. Also I collect tree warts. It's an oddity here in Missouri. Big driftwood tables, stuff like that. I've been doing some cleanup and that, getting ready to clear this whole area out to pour 10 by 40 feet of concrete. I've been sorting through this stuff. Like I said, I do have a lot of big slab. I carry a lot of barn doors, barn wood. Some of these doors date back to the 1870s. Various walking sticks and canes. Those are readily available. I can cut those out in the field. So a lot of the driftwood. A lot of this driftwood is 100% heartwood cedar. The Eastern Red Cedar, I love working with it. It's a really easily worked wood. Smells good. Bugs don't really like it. Just wanted to show some of the other tree wart type burl. All the signs that you see, everything you see here, all the lettering, that is all done with a chainsaw. I hope to train some people to do that. Get them out at the art fairs and craft fairs and that. They make pretty good money. Personalizable signs, people's names on them. Knowing that they'll buy them and they can get it and take it with them in 10 minutes is kind of a unique selling point. A lot of big slab, a lot of big tabletops. I am looking at selling out a couple thousand board foot of the bigger stuff. All of this I have milled myself with a 088 steel chainsaw. Alaskan mill rig. We got them rails over there. I screw those down on the top of the log, and then I'm able to cut a flat on the log and mill off of that. New big benches, all that. Just wanted to kind of give you a walk through of the place. See the amount of and the massiveness of the wood that I have.